The T-Class S is the elegant entry into the Hymer world. This particular floor plan is the 695, which has got a rear island bed, and this vehicle is 7.39 metres long. This model is based upon the Mercedes chassis, which enables you to have the 9G automatic transmission, as well as the upgrade of 170 horsepower for the engine power output. This floor plan includes a face-to-face lounge configuration with this table in the middle that extends, which allows you to have 5 people around the table easily. Being on the Mercedes chassis, you can option the driver assistance package. This includes options like this M-Book screen, which has your satellite navigation included, as well as reverse camera, connections of Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. Optioned in this T-Class is the Delana half leather upholstery, as well as Sauvignon oak cabinetry. The kitchen area features a 142 litre fridge freezer here, and then also your oven combination grill above. So the vehicle features a rear island bed, which sleeps 2, and then you also have the option of a drop-down bed in the lounge, which then enables you to sleep 2 more passengers. In the rear of the vehicle, we have this separate shower and toilet room. We can use this door to separate the front from the rear of the vehicle, and also to separate the bathroom entirely, we can use this door here.